So with the arrival of spring comes a feeling of renewal and a fresh start, both in nature and in your home. It's spring cleaning season, and smart shopping expert Trae Bodge here to give you her tips on how we can get organized and even make a little cash. So I like both of those, getting organized and making cash. You can't go wrong. What made you come up with this idea, organization and cash?
Well, to me, I'm a smart shopping expert, and I talk about this all year long, and it is spring cleaning time, and why not, while you're cleaning your items, why not make a little extra cash? And so I have some great tips for you in terms of how to sell some of your unwanted things and make money, and also some cleaning tools as well.
This is perfect. Okay, so where do you want to start? You want to start here and move to the left?
Let's start here. So I like when you start your spring cleaning to get started with your clothes first, because you're switching your seasons, right?
Okay.
So it's a good time to take a look at the things that you may not want anymore. And I brought these as an example, like a dress and some shoes that you can sell.
Cute little booties.
Yeah. So a platform that I really like for this is called Poshmark. And so you can take a picture and post an item in less than a minute, and you manage the online selling of these items. You can do it right from your smartphone. Okay. So it's really, really fast.
Nice little dress here.
Yeah, just in case. I mean, you do TV, right? So you wear your clothes a couple times and then you don't need them anymore.
Right.
And then something that will allow you to make a lot of money that you may not even think of are your diamonds. So you may have an estate piece that's not your taste.
Trae, I mean, how many of us have that many diamonds laying around? But yeah, I know what you mean, like an estate piece, like you were saying.
Or, you know, possibly a piece from a former marriage that you don't want anymore, but you don't want to sell your diamonds on your own like you would your clothing,
right? You don't want to go to Posh,
Right. So there's a service called Worthy. It's a luxury online auction. And so what they do is they hold your hand every step of the way.
Nice.
They get you an unbiased grading report on your gemstone, because we don't know these things, right? So they help you. They take pictures, and then they pair you with professional buyers, and then they manage the bidding process for you, which you can watch right from your smartphone. So it allows you to see, where's my gem going, and then you watch the offers roll in, and then you make your choice. And so that's at worthy.com in case you want to get rid of some
in case
diamonds.
you have something that you don't need, don't want, whatever. Like you said, from the first marriage and you don't want it anymore.
Right.
Yeah, that's perfect. Okay, so now you have this thing that we saw on the set before you came on, the Wave Sponge. What is this? Yeah, so I found this at the Grommet, which is one of my favorite websites. They're really good at finding really cool items from entrepreneurs and inventors. And so this is great for dishes and scrubbing, but it's also good for cleaning because it's silicone. And it has this little squeegee here, really good for those mirrors, those windows, the shower tiles. You can put soap or cleaner in this hole. And it's really inexpensive, and it lasts for a really long time. So you're not going through all your sponges and throwing them in the garbage. So it's a way to be earth-friendly as well. And it will save on your dishes and your pots and pans, because so many times you were using that the iron skillet, and then you wind up scraping it off. Yeah, so this would be nice.
I love silicone around the home because it does last so long, and it's also antibacterial.
And can't you just throw it in the dishwasher to wash it?
Yes, why not?
Perfect.
Why not?
It's easy peasy. Okay.
And then talking about spring cleaning again, so when you're going through your junk drawer, what you might find are a lot of gift cards that you haven't used or you don't want. And so Gift Card Granny, who I work with a lot, they're a large online platform for discounted gift cards. So you can sell the gift cards that you don't want, buy discounted gift cards that you do want, and in that way you don't have that cash essentially sitting in the drawer going unused. So that's a really good solution for that.
And that's a good idea, because sometimes the gift cards, they start to lose value if you don't use them after a certain amount of time.
Well, thankfully that doesn't happen so much anymore. So we don't have a lot of expiring gift cards, but what we do have is that's essentially cash sitting in a drawer unused. That why not trade it out for a gift card that you actually might want. And then lastly, I live in a small colonial house, and I am really strapped for space. And so I'm always looking for something really innovative to store my items in. And so I found this at JCPenney. This is the new home utility storage closet. It's actually, I just noticed today, for under $40. So you can see how much it would hold. It took me about 7 minutes to assemble it. And you can kind of tuck it away. It has the door that you can close. And so this is a good solution for if you're running out of space and you don't want to kind of put things down in the basement. You could put this in your bedroom or in your guest room, and it's not going to look too...
it's not an eyesore.
Exactly.
Yeah, it's cute.
So
and
another
it's sturdy.
solution for putting your extra things away that you don't have space for.
That's a great idea. Especially for kids going off to college and everything, that they need the space. That's a good thing to do. Okay, and it keeps it clean as well. And hey, you know what? You have room on the bottom shelf. You can stick your husband in there.
I know.
All right, Trae, thank you so much for joining us. Where do we find you online?
You can find me at truetrae.com. Lots of smart shopping expertise there for everybody.
All right, thank you so much.
Thanks.
Stay with us, folks. There's more of LTL coming up right after the break.